So guys, what happens here is that we are just converting this data that are coming from the server into a real Dart object, because as you know, these data are coming like, it's a JSON string. So we have to convert this JSON string into a Dart model so our application can be now able to manage it or to handle it very easily. As we have already set up all the process that we need to access to our data that will be coming from the server, we can now work on our qubit actually. And here, so the qubit is inside of our business logic folder, and then here we have these files, these folders, sorry. The first one is block, the other one is the qubit, and here we have this file here is just a simple enum where we have all the states that we're gonna need for our class states. So here for the qubit, we're gonna say, so this qubit will be actually for posts data like this, and inside of here we're gonna need two files. So the first one will be posts data state dot sorry, it's not darts but darts, and the first one will be, so the second one, sorry, posts data qubit dot, just like that. Very beautiful. And here in the posts data states, we're gonna import first the quadruple package, this one, and here let's say now class posts data states. It's gonna extend this equatable package. Okay guys, we are using this equatable package because it's gonna make our life easier when it comes to make a comparison between two objects. It's gonna make a comparison between objects, and our state, our qubit, will be changing from those comparison because it's gonna know it was this and now it's like this. Yeah, this is it. So the first variable for our class is this one here, the app states. So we're gonna need to know if the state is in loading state or if it's in success or maybe error, stuff like that. So let's say here it's gonna be nullable. Let's name it state, and here we're gonna need a list of post data model. Yeah, it's gonna be also nullable. Let's say data, and here we're gonna need also the last variable. So if there is any issue, any error, we're gonna send this message just here. Yeah, so we're gonna need a constructor for this, and here let's say they're gonna be required. Let me copy all of this, I don't want to waste your time. And here let's say, so the first one is states, the second one data, and the last one is error message. Yeah, it's okay. Let me save this. So we're gonna need another function. It's gonna be a copy with function.